Welcome to 95 Scooter Guy, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your manual kickstarter. This guy is jammed. So my manual kickstarter is stuck. Every time I press it, I have to drag it out. So today I need to fix it, and it's very easy to do that. All we just need is grease, screw, I think about 8, then a screwdriver, I think, and we'll be good. So let's get into it. I've already loosed the air filter, so I just need to lose all the screws around this manual compartment, and it's pretty easy to do. Just find the right screw. The most difficult thing is getting the right tools for the job, but once you have the right tools, you can easily do that. So we're just going to lose all this, guys, and see how it goes. After losing all the screws, 9 out of 10, this device will not come off. So there's this thing I do. I just try to press the bit, and hopefully that should help. If that doesn't help with the hand, this is tough now. So can you see? All we just have to do is clean up this part and we're good. Trying to clean out all this, and this is very soggy grease that's mixed with sand, and that's making it very difficult. So the best way to do is to remove these guys and clean them properly. So we're going to get into that. So just be careful so you don't damage anything. So now all we need is solvent to wash off the grease. I'm using 4, so just usually get some, and I'll just use a brush to brush that off, and hopefully all the bad grease should easily slide off. So I'm just washing that with an old toothbrush of mine, making do with simple house old items, and that should help us tremendously. After rinsing out some foil, now I just want to add a fresh set of grease on it and reassemble that. So let's get into it. See, everything should be inside. Now if I just twist it a bit, and we're good. Now all we have to do is just assemble it. So let's get into it. So we just attach it. Careful. Try to fit everything back. Then it should stay in place. It should stay in place. Once you have everything fitted properly, then you can now start screwing in the screws. So I'm just double checking. Now try not to press the lever when you have not screwed it, because it will end up disrupting the system. So now we have to screw it in. Let's try it out. Ooh. So all I have to do is couple the scooter and let's give it a shot. Truth, let's see if it's working fine. So just do it, and we have it. Voila.